What really happens during a D&E procedure? Is it painful? Is it safe? In the next 3 minutes, I will explain everything step by step in the simplest way. Dilation and evacuation or D&E is a medical procedure usually performed in the second trimester of pregnancy. It is done for different medical reasons, including complications or non-viable pregnancy. This video is for education, so you understand the process clearly and safely. Cervical dilation. First, the cervix is gently opened or dilated. Doctors may use small instruments called dilators. It allows safe access to the uterus. Evacuation. Next, the contents of the uterus are carefully removed using medical instruments and suction. The process is done by trained professionals to minimize risks. Safety check. After the procedure, doctors ensure that the uterus is completely cleared. This helps prevent complications like infection or bleeding. Risks and recovery. Like any medical procedure, D&E has risks, but when done by experts, it is generally safe. Recovery is usually quick with proper medical guidance. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Medical Officer Pro for more simple medical explanations. Stay informed, stay safe.